Good morning, students. Now today we will study 4-digit numerals on abacus. Abacus means like this diagram. To show 4-digit numeral on an abacus should have 4 spike. This is 4-digit number, so at least 4 spike. This card like this. These are called spike. 4 spike. Starting from the right. Starting from the right means starting from ones, tens, hundred and what? Thousand. Starting from the right with the number of beats, and in each spike some beats are given here in this diagram. For example, in this spike 4 beats are there. Number of beats in the spike showing ones, tens and hundred and thousand respectively. Look at the abacus here. That this diagram is, such type of diagrams are called abacus. Look at the abacus given on the right side. Now how to write, how many beats are there in thousand? Look at ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. Now in hundred, how many beats are there? 2. 1, 2. So write here 2. In tens, 1 only. So write here 1. And in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total beats are there 5. So the required number getting 4215. How to read ones, tens, hundred, thousand? 4215. 4200 what? 15. So in this way, if diagrams given, we can write the number, and that number we can write in words also. How to write in words? 4215. If there is no beat, suppose there is no beat, suppose like this. In this spike there is no beats. So at that time what we have to put there? We have to put what? 0. We have to put what? 0. Sometimes if no beats is given, but if beats are given, then that if 1 is there, then you have to write 1 only. You can write this in words also. 4215. 4200 what? 15. So we can write 4215 means in words 4000 200 15. Understood? So if question is there in now I am taking examples. To example, you will understand that one. Sometimes diagrams are given, you have to write the numbers, and sometimes only numbers are given below that, and you have to put the beats in that diagram. Now example, look that. Read the abacus. Diagram is given, and write the numeral and number name. You have to write numeral means number, as well as number name, spelling also. First look that diagram. This diagram given A, this one, and this one B. 2 examples. How many bits are here? 1. So here 1. In 1000, 1 bit. In 100, how many? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. In tens, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. And in ones, 1, 2. So the required number is 4-digit number 1362. That you have to write it spelling in word number. 1000 300 362. Understood? Now next, in the same way, next diagram. How many bits are there in 1000? Look, 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. In 100 there is no bit, so what you have to put there? 0. If no bits is there, then you have to put 0. And in tens count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in ones no bits, so write there 0. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 3060. The number name is that 3060. 3060. So understood this example? Note down in your notebook. Now we will study place value and face value of 4-digit number. Place value and face value. 3 points are given, keep in mind. The place value of a digit, how the place value of a digit can be obtained, can be get. The place value of a digit is the number we get if we multiply the digit by its place. If we multiply the digit by its place, then we will get what? The place value of a digit. The place value of a digit is the number we get if we multiply the digit by its place. We have suppose 4-digit number 1, 10, 100, 1000. Then according to its place we have to multiply the digit. Second point. So place value of a digit changes. Place value of a digit what? Changes according to its places. Place value of a digit always changes according to its by its places. And third point, face value of the digit. Face value and place value both are different. Face value of the digit remains the same wherever it is placed. Place value changes, but face value do not changes. Keep in mind in the difference in between this place and face value. Place value changes according to its place, but face value remains same wherever it is placed. So note down these 3 points in your notebook. Now example, look at, write the place value and face value of each digit in the following example. What we have to write? Place value as well as what? Face value. Given example are 4-digit number, both example. How to read? 2946 and 3705. So write that number. First example 2946. Place value and face value. What is the place value? How to find? Place value of this 6. Make arrow like this. We will write here, directly answer that. Place value of 6. Here place value of 6 is ones. Here 4 is tens. Here 100 and this one to mean 1000. 6 ones are 6 into 1. Directly I am writing 6. 4 tens are what? 40. 4 tens are what? 40. 9 into 100. 900. And 2 into 1000. 2000. Understood this? This is the place value. Now face value. But I told the third point, face value of the number do not change wherever it is placed. So face value of 6 is 6 only. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 9 is 9. And face value of 2 is 2. So face value do not change, only place value changes. Now next example 3705. Same thing. Place value and face value we have to find. So make like this arrow. Place value of 5 is ones, 0 is tens, 7 is 100 and 3 is 1000. So 5 ones are, tell me, 5. 0 into 10, 0 tens are, if we are multiplying 0 with n number, we will get answer 0 only. Understood? 0. Now 7 into 100, 700. And 3 into 1000, 3000. So this is the place value. Now face value. What is the face value of 5? 5 is 5 only. 0 face value, 0. 7 face value, 7. And 3 is face value, 3 only. So understood this example, note down in your notebook. Write the number and number name represented by each abacus. You have to write here number as well as number name. How many? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. If you want to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. In 1000, 3. So write here 3. In 100, 2 bits are there. In 10, ones. And in ones, 1. So write that number name also. In this question also same thing. This is A, B, C, and this one D. So for question, try that. If there is no bits, then put there 0. For example, here, put here what? 0.